Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel Shade and Shine. If you are new to the channel, you are also very much welcome, and please do subscribe to be a part of this Shade and Shine family, and also please do hit the bell icon as well so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. So today I'll be reviewing a face mask. This is green tea face mask from Goodvibes. So green tea has lot of benefits, right? So I'll be reviewing this, but before reviewing I would like to speak a little bit about the benefits of green tea, and after reviewing this also I will talk about a DIY, because this is a ready-made face mask, right? If you don't want to try ready-made, if you have time at your home, you can also do a DIY face mask of green tea. So yeah friends, without any further ado, let's get into the video. Well, most of us drink green tea to lose weight, right? So along with losing weight, it also gives you smooth and spotless skin. It removes the toxin from your body, and also it is an excellent source of antioxidant which remove the free radicals that is produced in our body. And apart from that, it's also known for its anti-aging, which helps to prevent the fine lines and wrinkles. So it has lot of benefits, right? So along with drinking, we can also use as a face mask, which I am going to review this ready-made face mask. Along with that also, as I mentioned, I'll be showing a DIY that you can prepare at your home with few ingredients that will be readily available in your kitchen. So yeah, please stay tuned, please watch till the end. So yeah, coming back to its benefit, it is also known for its antibacterial property, which fights against the acne breakout. If you're having acne breakout, so please do drink green tea. But if your breakout is too much, frequently you are having acne, so in that case also please do recommend a skin specialist, because sometimes we get acne, because I also suffered from acne a lot during my teenager, and also when I was in Bangalore, Chennai. I don't blame the place, but yeah, it depends. At certain age you get acne, so please do consult a skin specialist so that you would know what is the cause of your breakout, because it causes you get acne due to lot of reasons. It may be some liver problem also causes acne, and if your face is too oily, and if you don't wash your face with an oil clear face wash frequently, so in that case also you can have breakout. There are a lot of things. So if it is frequent, so please do consult a dermatologist before trying any face mask at your home, right? But yeah, you can continue drinking green tea. Now let's check out this face mask. This is green tea rejuvenating face mask from Goodvibes. You can check it out over here. So this contains, of course, green tea. Along with this, it has other ingredients like rose water and chandan water and many other extracts. These products contain along with green tea. And here also it's written, yeah, this helps in clearing the redness and preventing blackheads. Green tea is full of antioxidant, as I mentioned previously, right? It's also written over here. It's full of antioxidant that acts as an anti-aging component for the skin. So yeah, this has lot of benefits. It's also mentioned here, craft with patience, skill, fresh ingredients, and yeah, skin special expertise. So it's mentioned here like this is done with the skin expertise. With the recommendation, they have taken the recommendation or the ingredients that they have choose, right? Those are gone through by a skin specialist as well. And this is no parabens. It does not have any parabens, no sulfates, and is cruelty free, which is the best part for this product. So this I purchased 100 gram for rupees 325. I purchased this from the website Purple. I think I got little bit discount. I don't remember exactly. So if you want, I'll put the link in the description box below. You can check that out. Also, I'll try to find these in other websites like Amazon, Nykaa, and if I find that, I'll link that too in the description box below. So yeah, don't get in contact with eyes, don't touch your eyes after applying this. And yeah, let's see the texture now, how it is. This is how the packaging is. You have this covering. This is how it looks like. I have finished a portion of it. Let me show you. This is how it is. So I don't have anything on my face, so let's quickly apply, and I'll just wait for, I think we have to wait for 15 to 20 minutes. It's not written over here. Yeah, you can wait for 20 to 30 minutes. It depends how quickly it dries up on your skin. So after that we'll wash it and I'll get back to you all. Friends, I'm done applying, so I'll wait for 20 to 25 minutes and then wash it off and get back. So please stay. So I waited for 30 minutes. I kept it for 30 minutes. It has dried up, but I don't feel the dryness. Let me give you an example. Say after applying multani mitti, when it dries up, we feel the dryness, right? So this has not started pulling my skin. I'm not feeling the dryness, but yeah, I feel like it has dried up from top, and yeah, it's already been 30 minutes. So I'll wash and get back. So I wash it off. My skin feels fresh and I'm feeling such clear, like all the dirt has been removed and the dead cells also has been removed. So if your skin is dry, so after washing off, please apply moisturizer. Since I'm having oily skin, I'll just leave it as it is, but yeah, it's good to apply moisturizer. So yeah, overall it was a good experience. Although this is not the first time I have applied it multiple times earlier, and my experience overall is good till now. Now for the DIY that I mentioned, I'll be talking about it DIY. So for that you need 2 bags of green tea. If you're buying that bag, then you need 2 bags, or else if you are buying the carton or in a bottle, so you can take approx 2.5 tablespoons. And if it is leafy one, if it's not grinded one, so in that case you can just grind some portion of it and keep for applying for your face mask. So first take the minute grinded particles, not the leafy one. So take that 2.5 tablespoons, and if you are taking the bag, so take 2 bags. So in that, please mix honey, 1.5 tablespoon of honey and few drops of lemon. So just mix it well, and voila, your face mask is ready. If for dry skin, if you are having dry skin, so in that case, instead of lemon, you can also use orange peel powder. If you don't have orange peel now, so in that case you can buy orange peel powder. You will get online as well. If you want, then please DM me on my Instagram. I will let you know I'll try to find and provide the link to whomever you need. So please DM me on my Instagram. So apart from that, also you can apply with curd if curd suits your skin. So in that case, along with these ingredients, say green tea, honey and curd, you can also apply these 3 ingredients, mix and apply on your face. So after that, let me know how this goes for you, how which combination suits you. If you have already tried, then please comment below in the comment section. I would love to hear from you all, and also it will be helpful for others as well, right, as I am conveying my information to everyone. So in the same way, you can also comment below so that it will be helpful for all of us, right? So I am providing this information just to help you all, so that it will be helpful for someone or the other out there. So in the same way, please comment below, it will be helpful for someone. So friends, that's it for this video. If you like this video, do hit the like button. And friends, along with drinking green tea, please do drink, along with drinking green tea as well as applying, please do drink lots of water, at least 8 to 9 glasses of water daily, because it helps to remove the toxin from your body, right? And friends, please don't leave without subscribing. Your subscription means a lot to me. Your one subscription, it means a lot to me. So please do subscribe, and in order to support this channel, and also please do share with others, with your friends, family. So please do share. So friends, that's it for this video. Bye bye until my next video.